Here we are, Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2009 Suzuki Boulevard M50. This is the 805cc Vtwin, fuel injected, liquid cooled, really cool power cruiser. Beautiful satin black finish with lots of chrome accessories. Shaft drive, no chain to mess with. This is a solo seat version with saddlebags, and it's got a quick release full-size touring windscreen. It comes with it. Freeway engine guards. Only 20,000 miles on this gorgeous fuel injected Boulevard M50. Price to sell just $34.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.